How's it going, YouTube? My name is Devontae, and in today's video I want to talk about changing your background in your sales funnel to a custom background is what I'm referring to, because it's kind of hard to do that because within the Power Lead system, it's like they want you to use their images, their 83 images. It's like the only ones, like these are the only ones they want you to use. So I have a way around that. So what you want to do? I'm going to click on this one, hit submit, hit submit. All right. We'll wait for it to load, and then we're just going to choose white background. Now, once you get to this point, um, this is my current background. This right here is a sales funnel, but in your case, it will be white background or maybe whatever background, whatever. So I'm going to show you how to change it. This is like coding, but it's fairly simple. Coding itself is fairly simple to me, but to make it very simple to you, you want to click on source. Once you click on source, you want to hit Control F, and Control F will present you with the Finder button. And what you're going to do, type in JPEG, and you're going to change this URL link right here. You're going to change it to wherever you want. So this is my custom background that I want to use. All right, what you want to do, you want to upload it to a JPEG. Just upload it to, like, you can use this link right here, but you really just want to upload it to whatever site that you like, just so it could be a JPEG at the end, just so it could be a JPEG link. Then you're gonna copy that link, and you're just gonna just paste it right in between the quotation marks, just like that. And then you're just gonna click out of it, and there you go. It's that simple. And then you can do the same thing. I'm not sure why it has two images, but we can do that as well. Change that. Just like that. Ma'am, there you have it. It's just that simple. I'm currently setting up my sales funnel. Well, it's not my sales funnel. It's my sponsor sales funnel, but I'm gonna incorporate my own links, incorporate my own style to it as well, so you guys can understand it. And just like how I did, I'm changing the background of it. It's gonna look a lot better because I'm editing it right now. It's gonna look a lot better once I finish. Once you guys see it, of course. But yeah, that's just a little life hack in the Power Lead system. If you guys want to know how to change the background, that can get kind of confusing, especially if you don't know how to use HTML. This is just something that I just wanted to tell you guys. Something really quick. Want to just make a quick video while I'm editing my sales funnel. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the inside.